Chapter 17. Great Personalities. Introduction. Great people are respectful of other people's feelings and needs, but hold their position highly and never retreats from negative situations, but only stays in them to make peace. In India, many great people have been taken birth. Let's know about some of them. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. His mother's name was Putlibai. Gandhiji was called Bapu. When Bapu was a little boy, he was called Mohan. When he grew up, he became the leader of the people. He began to be called Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu helped us to get freedom for our country. Bapu was a simple man. He wore simple clothes. He eats simple food. He loved children. People will always love and respect him. Bapu believed in ahimsa, means non-violence. He taught to his countrymen to fight Britishers without violence. The great Maurya king Ashoka. Ashoka was a brave king. He belonged to Maurya dynasty. He fought many wars and made India united. He ruled a large empire. He had a neighbor city called Kalinga. Ashoka wanted to make it a part of his empire. He had a war. This war was very destructive. Many people lost their lives in this war. Ashoka won the war. But he was deeply grieved by this war. He did not have war with any country in future. He changed himself and followed the Buddha religion. He served his country well. He made many changes in the administration. Now people were happy with him. Shivaji. Shivaji was a great leader of the Marathas. He was a very clever leader. The Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb wanted to make him a Mughal officer. But he refused. So he was arrested. He wanted to escape from the prison. Soon he got an idea. He remembered the big baskets used to carry sweets and fruits. Then one day, he lifted the lids of 2 baskets, removed some of the boxes and crawled inside with his son. Carefully, the boxes were covered with the same lids. Soon the baskets were carried out of the port. The Maratha leader waited for the right moment, then he and his son leapt from the baskets and made their escape. Nobody could catch them. Shivaji made his way back to the Deccan, where he was greeted with joy.